Hello, everybody. The winds has increased even more now. We are now seeing, I say, like a isolated strong wind gust up to 35 plus 35 miles per hour. Um, I just saw a strong wind gust somewhere over there. So, like, if we look closely over there, I have to wait for the next strong wind gust. I saw a strong wind gust right here. There you go. Isolated strong wind gusts are happening right now. The winds are now increasing. Wow. Woo. Here we go. Okay, everybody. Here is the watch and warning map here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning here, special weather statements, and all this severe weather is heading straight for my area. Tornado watch. We're we're not under that, but but we're close to a tornado watch. Possibly, will yeah. We possibly might get a tornado watch. Will we get a severe thunderstorm watch? Let's wait and find out. Wow, the winds are increasing. This is what the tree looked like from this angle, y'all. That's tall. What the world? Oh my. Whoa. So these winds are moving fast. Uh-oh. Wow. Mm-hmm. All right. Y'all, I think I felt a storm shelter, y'all. I think I should use this car. I think I should use this car right here to record the severe thunderstorm. That would be that would be cool. Cause like there's a severe thunderstorm coming later on this afternoon, and like this is a good place to be. It's quiet, you know. You can see the trees still. You can still see the trees still. Oh my gosh! I think I might get along with this. Hey y'all, I'm storm chasing. I'm storm chasing right quick. I'm trying to find some tornadoes. I can't find no tornado. I wish I could see a freaking tornado. My little sister, she's so precious. I'm still. Oh! Oh! Tornado! 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 Oh! All right, everybody, look at this. We have a tornado warning. We are about we are about to be under a tornado watch. You know what? Yeah, tornado watch. We have a tornado watch, y'all. Yeah, we have a tornado watch, y'all. Severe thunderstorm warning. Oh my gosh. Man, I missed it. The winds are now up to 17 miles per hour. It is getting windy here, folks. Mm. The winds are increasing, y'all. The winds are still increasing here. I'm gonna see if I can get a good view by the stop sign. That will be pretty. Let's see. Somewhere like this. Oh dear. Whoo! Here, uh-oh. Oh gosh. Wow, look at that!